24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $376, $387, $364 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA truly acquired roughly 0.8% inside the truly most recent 24 hours in a kind of significant manner. Cardano's MR10 truly shows a vertical pattern, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is drifting at $376, $387, $364 in a huge manner. Cardano truly shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. 24 Walk 2024. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly got clarification on pressing issues facts. What in a real sense is transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA a genuinely wise speculation, which most certainly is very huge. Cardano support and opposition levels and so forth, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the ADA specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which essentially is genuinely critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to total 499,063, 833, 658, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $68, 721, 671.4 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.69% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $65, 694.50 level after a vertical development of 0.63%, exhibiting how 24 Walk 2024. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually especially clarified pressing issues facts, what truly is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, basically is ADA for the most part wise speculation, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money as Ethereum truly has seen a value reduction of 0.46% coming to $3,404 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $561.78, following a value change of 49% within a similar time period, which in a real sense shows that the especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $68, 721, 671.4, which in a real sense is very critical. Sol, the by and large local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere around 37 and presently exchanging at $177.01 in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions sort of show that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending bearing for transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, an especially broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the ADA specialized investigation, truly let us most certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations, or so they especially thought. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense, distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so 24 Walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What in every way that really matters is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano. Most certainly is ADA an essentially wise venture, or so they truly thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchases in every way that really matters become basically more beautiful, dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Most certainly further appearance how yet prior to jumping in every way that really matters, profound into the ADA specialized examination. In a real sense, let us explicitly discuss the kind of current economic situations, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers essentially move fundamentally dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. For the most part, further appearance how Cardano in every practical sense shows negative energy throughout the end of the week, which truly is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano ADA Cardano. Execution ADA generally has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 0.8% in genuinely most recent 24 hours in an extremely enormous manner. In every practical sense, current worth of Cardano fundamentally is floating at $64 with the exchanging volume of $376, 387, 364, as west in the equivalent time span, so Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition, all things considered, are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So 24 walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly essentially clarified some things facts, what generally is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano. In a real sense is ADA an essentially wise speculation, which in a real sense is very huge. The generally market cap for ADA really is $22,717,761,266 as US, while the coin cost changes 5.45% throughout the week, showing how Sol, the fundamentally local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near 37, and at present exchanging at $177.01 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for 24 Walk 2024 inside an everyday time period by and large made sense of underneath, so the genuinely complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $68, 721, 671 therefore, which generally is very huge. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really basic moving most certainly normal SMA and remarkable moving sort of normal MA to basically examine the future development of the Cardano, which truly is very critical. The adast moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness MACD marker in a real sense is demonstrating an especially present moment basically sell in every practical sense. Signal as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath beautiful sign line, which by and large means basically bears truly a ruling on the lookout, showing how 24 walk 2024. In this video we will truly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues facts, what especially is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Cardano, especially is ADA a truly wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought. While ADA's Williams %R marker sort of is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. Exchange signal truly is really conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how 24 walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for sort of the following. We can sort of attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense clarified some